Hello everybody, Manawan is Rojda. Welcome to my channel. So if you wonder what I was saying, I was literally saying, how are ya? My name is Dro in Kurdish. So you know this video is gonna be reacting to Kurdish music. So you already know Slow. So I hope you guys are ready. I'm gonna shut up. Do not forget to follow me on Instagram because I see that some of you follow me here, but you don't follow me on my Instagram and I just don't know why. So here's my Instagram. Follow me, okay? Follow me. Okay, let's go. Rojda. So I been requested this singer. I don't know. I hope she is Kurdish and not from another country. It's just like, I don't know. But we're gonna give her a whirl. Hopefully I like her music and I don't know, become a fan because I'm always excited to find new music, Kurdish music, okay? Song, and then hopefully it's good. Oh, that's pretty. Sounds good. I like it. Oh, okay, so this is a new video. She just dropped this video, okay. I don't know what's there. It looks pretty. Nina sounds like a little girl or something. She sounds like she sings traditional type of music because her tone is very traditional, you know? Okay, maybe she does. I don't know. Okay, it's catchy. Oh, I like that. Okay, I like that. Oh, I like that. Chichineke guakeri. I know. I'm sorry. I am so sorry. I'm sorry. It's cat. Believe it. Oh, that is so pretty. Oh my gosh, where is that place? It's so pretty. I like the song. The only problem is that I don't understand what she's singing. Nina. Sounds like a little girl, okay? Okay, let's listen another one. Let's listen this one. Hey, le, 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 le. Okay, I have heard Kurdish music where they do like le, 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 le. Something like that. So maybe that's the song. Another song because I don't really like that song. Okay. Vibe. It's different. It's not my favorite, but it's different. Okay. Okay, I like that. I see messy. Okay, I like that. Well, there you go, everybody. That was Rojda. I don't know if that's how you pronounce her name. So hopefully she's Kurdish and she was singing in Kurdish. If not, I apologize. I apologize. But what do I think? I think she has a very traditional tone, and I like traditional music as well. So I'm gonna give her a yes, and maybe I can look forward to listen to more of her music. But you can recommend more in the comment box down below, and I can go ahead and find out more about new artists, you know, new artists. So I love you guys so much, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up and follow me on my Instagram, okay?